Hi, welcome to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Paulo and I'm here today to teach you how you can do speed ramps in Davinci Resolve quick and easy. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. So here we are in the computer. As you can see, I already have this footage here in the timeline. If I play it, you will notice that it's always at the same speed. So let's go to the beginning of the clip. First, you have to enable the retime here, retime controls, then enable the retime curve. First thing you have to pay attention is over here. If you see retime speed is okay. If you don't see it, if you see retime frame like this, it's not okay. You have to change it to retime speed. So come here, select retime speed and unselect retime frame. Now let's look for the places where we want the changes to happen. I like to put here and drag this to see the video. So I'm gonna come here in normal speed, and over here I want to change the speed. I want to increase the speed. So for that I will press Alt or Option on a Mac, Alt for PC, Option for a Mac, and drag here to the line, to the intersection of these two lines, and I will press with the mouse, and as you can see, it puts here this dot, white dot here. So now let me come, I will see till here. I'm gonna do another one, another change over here. Now over here this will be slow, then I'm gonna add another one over here, and now this is gonna be fast until over here. Add another one, and this will be slow, and over here another one. Now you have two options to change the speed in the places that you want. One of them is come here to the line. As you can see, as I go over the line, you notice that it has two arrows, one up and one down. In my case, I want to increase the speed, so what can I do? I will click in the mouse and pull it up, and it's done. Now you don't see it because I have the scale here for 300%, and if I come here and increase it, now you can see. Now you can come here, do the same, or you can come here to where it says 100%, click this and change speed, and in my case I'm gonna 400%, and here you can do the same, change speed. Now you have the speed changes. If I play it, notice fast, slow, and fast again. As you can see, the speed changes are happening very fast because it's a vertical line. You can change that also. We will select where the speed changes is. In this case, I'm going to select this one. As you can see, now the dot is red, and as you can see here, it's lined, and we want to curve. So we'll select this, and it changes. And as you can see, it has these two arrows over here. You can do this and increase or decrease, and you can do the same for all of them. And of course you can do this. And now if you play it, the changes are more soft, and as you can see, it's very easy, very quick, and for me, I think this is the best way of doing this. So I hope this information was helpful, and if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I will launch a video. Until there, bye!